Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you'll find my content all over the place, much like my work history. So from 2007 to 2011, I was a service tech at a major home improvement company. And one of the major issues I dealt with was window problems. So that's what we're going to look at today is windows. I know a little bit about a lot of different things, enough to make me dangerous, mostly to myself. But we'll take a look at some of these common window issues, ones that anyone can fix. Let's go have a look. Okay, here we are inside my very messy shed. And I'm going to show you how to correct a common window problem. First, I want to go over all the different parts of a window just so you'll know what I'm talking about. So this is called a double hung window, and it's called that because both sashes move. Both sashes tilt in. They're held in place by these tilt locks. So we raise the sash and tilt it in, and it can be removed. Then you've got these pins that sit inside the cam. It sits inside a cam housing. It is attached to a spring. The spring is attached to the spring housing. So the most common problem I ran across is where someone tilted their window in and removed it. They were showing the window off or they were trying to clean it. And when they went to put it back in, they didn't seat it properly. And so the pin was sitting outside of the cam. And then when they pushed the window closed, now the cam and the cam housing is sitting below the pin instead of the pin inside. And that won't let the window shut all the way. But that it's easily fixed. Remove the sash. Careful, don't let it fall on you. I'm assuming you know how to do this if you have these type of windows. What you need is a flathead screwdriver with a fairly large head on it. You have to put it in the cam and twist the window as if you were closing it. Keep both hands on the screwdriver because the springs want to close on you. And you want to get it to where it's about level with the other side. And then take your screwdriver, twist it back in the lock position, and put your window back in. When you're putting your sash back in, you want to make sure that both pins seat properly down inside the cams. And you'll know that they're seated properly when you raise the window and the cam goes with it. And now the window closes all the way and locks. And that's an easy fix. I was even able to walk people through this process over the phone without a video aid. So there you have just one of the many common window issues that I worked on when I was doing this for a living. I've got a few more topics I can go over. I can show you how you can replace a pin or replace one of the springs if it gets broken. I can even show you how to take the glass out of one of these things. So I wanted to reach out to a couple of the channels that I follow and thinking they might be able to continue on with this subject matter. Maybe they can make some more interesting videos than mine. First one is How to Home. He's got some really good videos and some neat tips and tricks if you're a homeowner. Another one is Alec from Technology Connections. I think he can make some really interesting videos on the technology behind these type of windows. Just throwing that out there.